In this video, I'll show you how to use Asana for task management. Now, there are two ways to manage our task. The first way is by managing our own task. So on the left-hand side, head over to work. At the bottom, choose my tasks. From here, you want to head over to the first tab and choose list. And as you can see in here, we can section all of our tasks and add a title to them. Now, whenever we have here a list view, let's say we want to add a section and we will name this as in progress. Now at the bottom, what we can do is add a specific task. Let's say we are currently cleaning as an example, like a to-do list. Now on the right-hand side of that task, you can add a due date. So if you click on the plus sign in here, you can set a due date wherein you can do that task. At the top, you can even add a start date. Now a start date just means the date wherein you want to start that task, and the due date will be the end. At the bottom, you can also set a time as well as a repetition for this task. What you can also do is add collaborators or assignee within your own task. Now, if you head over to the board view, this will look more like a Kanban board. As you can see, our list, our board, and even our calendar, if we have set a due date for them, it will automatically show in here. Now, on the board view, this will look like a Kanban board. As you can see, we have in progress, to do next week, do later. And we also need to add a section for done. You can also view them within in here. Now, let's say you have your employees and you want to track their progress and you want to manage their task, then simply head over to the top bar. On the left-hand side, click on create. At the bottom, choose the second option, which is project. And from here, you can start a blank project by simply heading over to the top and right corner. Now from here, let's name this as task management. At the bottom, you want to choose the project access. I will choose my admin area. And at the bottom, click on continue. Now this is where you can choose the views for your project. You can simply add them later on. But what I do suggest is to add a list, a board, a timeline, as well as a calendar. Now you can add a few things later on. You can even add notes. This is for your meetings if you do set them up. At the bottom, you can show more views. You can view all attachments as well as messages and workflow. And once you have that at the bottom, click on create project. And once you click on create project, it will automatically look like this. As you can see, this is a fresh start. You have a list, board, timeline, calendar. You have your notes as well as messages if you do have your members within here. You also have your workflow. Now within a workflow, in here, you can create how you want their workflow to look like. You can also track them. Now on the list, this will be connected to all of the views. So let's say we want to make a Kanban board. From here, we will add to do. At the bottom, add section again. We will add in progress. And we will add another section, which is done. As you can see here, we have 3 sections. If we head over to the board view, it will automatically reflect and it will look like a Kanban board. On the untitled section, we can just simply delete this. And let's say we want to add a task. So on the to-do, let's say we want them to do a website design idea. On the right-hand side, you can add an assignee. Now you can add their name or their email address. Let's say Jane Doe will do the website design. On the right-hand side, we can add a due date. From here, let's state that the due date of the design will be on the 3rd of July. At the bottom, you can add a time as well as a repetition for this task. Now, once you have that, if we head over to the calendar view, and if we head over to July, we will set this to months. You will automatically see that task, and if you click on it, you will automatically see the details. Now, within a task, you can add details within it. You can add, let's say you want to add them to multiple projects. You can add a description. You can add a subtask within a task. Let's say in a website design, they need to present a design through Canva. You can even add a different assignee as well as a due date for the subtask. You can add attachments as well as comments. Now, let's say you want to move a task. So let's head over to the list view. Just simply head over to the left-hand side of that task. Hold and drag to in progress. It will also be the same thing on a board view. Just simply hold and drag in order for you to change that task. And that is the simplest way for us to manage a task in Asana. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below. and I will try my best to help you out.